likes you, and maybe not. But anyway, she can't run away.
Look at this girl, she's a beautiful girl, talking to her friend about her problems.
Look at this guy, he's an okay guy with his red pants on, trying to get it done.
So
Why won't you fuck each other? Why won't you fuck each other? Hemingway in the park, the sun also rises. It's a book about a man who lost his cock.